Hello everyone. Want to help the environment, control mosquitoes naturally, and support local wildlife? Let's talk about Big Bed Box, a company that builds high quality bed houses to attract bats and improve biodiversity. I will show you also how to get a discount on their best-selling models. Big Bed Box creates certified bed shelters that meet conservation standards. The houses are made on waterproof, durable wood, designed for maximum airflow and bat safety, tested and approved by wildlife biologists. So let's first click close this banner, okay, and easy to mount on homes, trees, or poles. They come in single, dual, or triple chamber design and are great for farms, gardens, or suburban home. Bats help control pests, reduce the need for chemicals, and keep the ecosystem balanced. Installation guides are provided, and each box is crafted with eco-conscious materials right in the USA. So use our referral link below to get up to 20% off your first big bed box, plus occasional free shipping or bulk discounts. It's a small investment with a big environmental impact, and with our discount, you can help nature thrive for less. You also have the testimonial section with more details, with more feedback from different customers. So also take your time to check it out and understand what if actually this product will be a significant change for you.